Hello my shining stars. So today we are starting class 4 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice Publications. So let's start. Chapter 7 Fractions. The fraction shows part of a whole. The whole can be a reason or a collection. Can you recall whatever you have studied about fractions in previous classes? So warm up. The first one, color the following part of the given figures, like here 1/3. It means out of 3 equal parts, shade, color one part. So any one part you can color it. Okay. Now see the second one, 2/4 means total 4 parts. Out of 4, 2 parts you can color any 2 parts. Right? Okay, then 4/4, it means color all the parts, all the 4 parts, right? Then 1/2 means out of 2, color any one part. So I hope this is very much clear to you. The second is encircle 3/4 of the collection of the following objects. 3/4. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what to do? It means 3/4. So total 4 groups. So out of 4 groups we have to take 3 groups. So we can circle it 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then here we have total 4 groups. So circle 3, any 3, right? Similarly, you can do this. The third one, name the fraction for the colored part. See here we have total 4 parts. Out of 4, 3 are colored. So what is the fraction? Fraction is 3/4. Here see this one, we have total 4 parts. Out of 4, 3 are colored. So fraction is 3/4. I hope this is very much clear to you. You have done earlier also. Now we are talking about numerator and denominator. The first one, the total number of equal parts into which a whole is divided is called the denominator. And the second one, the number of equal parts that have been taken from the total number of equal parts is called the numerator, right? So representing fractions, how we can represent fraction, like half means 1/2. Out of 2, take 1 part. So when a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is half or 1/2. So 2 halves make a whole, that is 1/2 plus 1/2 equals to 1. So half plus half, it makes 1, right? Now quarter means 1/4 or 1/4, means total 4 equal parts we have to take 1, that becomes 1/4. So see here we have 4 equal parts, we have 4 equal parts. So this is 1/4, this is 1/4. When we are combining these 2 parts, what we are getting? 2 parts out of 4, 2/4, right? And what is 2/4? 2/4 is 1/2. So when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, each part makes a quarter or 1/4 or 1/4, and 2/1/4 makes a half. 1/4 plus 1/4 means 2/4, that is 1/2. और अगर हम 3/1/4 लेंगे, it becomes 3/4. And if we take 4/1/4, so 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 4 times, this becomes 4/4, means 1 whole, right? So the next is 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. When a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, each part is 1/3 or 1/3. And you know 3/1/3 make a whole. अगर हम 3/1/3 ले लेंगे, that means 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, it becomes 1. And if we take 2/1/3, it makes 2/3, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now come to assessment 1. Look at the figures given below. For each shape, complete the table. So here, shapes given, equal parts in the shape, fraction for shaded and fraction for unshaded part. So A part here we have this figure. So how many parts we can see? We can see total 3 equal parts. So out of 3, 2 are shaded. So fraction becomes 2 out of 3, 2 by 3. And for unshaded, this is 1 by 3, right? The next is B part. See here, how many total parts? Total parts 4. Shaded 3 out of 4, 3 by 4. And what is unshaded? 1 out of 4. Now C part, how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. How many shaded? 5 are shaded, 5 upon 8. And unshaded, 3 upon 8. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Very interesting. Now example 2. What is 3 by 2 of a dozen? 1 dozen means 12 things, 12 objects. So 3 by 2 of a dozen. तो हम कैसे करेंगे? हम लेंगे 3 by 2 means 12 को हम 2 से divide कर देंगे, that is 6, and then 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. So how we can do it? We can write like this: 3 by 2 multiplied by 12. So 2 6 are 12. 3 multiply 6, this is 18. I hope this is clear to you. Now remember, to find half of a number collection, divide by 2. To find 1 by 3 of a number collection, divide by 3. To find 1 by 4 of a number collection, divide by 4. And to find 1 by 5 of a number collection, divide by 5. Right? Now come to assessment 2. One question, first question, 1 dozen equal to 12. Now calculate A part. 1 by 4 of a dozen. So 1 by 4 of a dozen means divide 12 by 4. Or we can write like this: 1 by 4 of 12. This becomes 3. Now B part, 1 by 2 of a dozen. It means half of 12. That is 6. Okay. Now C part, 5 by 3 of a dozen. 5 by 3 multiply 12. So we are getting 20. So I hope this is very much clear to you. The second question, find A part 2 by 3 of 15. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Cancel कर देंगे. If we can cancel the numbers, like 3 5s are. So 5 multiply 2, this is 10. 3 by 7 of 35. Of means multiply. So 7 5s are. 5 multiply 3, this is 15. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third question, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now calculate B part, half of an hour. So it means half of 60 minutes. Half of 60 minutes. So what is this? This is 30 minutes, right? Now C part, 2 by 3 of an hour. It means 2 by 3 of 60 minutes. So this is what? This is 40 minutes. I hope this is very much clear to you. The next we are talking about equivalent fractions. Anshul and Aarti were having a pizza. Anshul ate 1 by 4 of the pizza, means pizza ke 4 equal parts the. Anshu has taken 1 slice out of 4 and Aarti had 2 by 8 of the pizza. इस पिज़्ज़ा के 8 equal parts की Aarti has taken 2 parts out of 8. So from the picture we can see that both had the same amount of pizza. It means 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 means the same thing, same amount. So 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are equivalent fractions. So 2 or more fractions that represent the same amount of the whole are called equivalent fractions. So 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8. Now we are talking about properties of equivalent fraction. The first one, to make an equivalent fraction of the given fraction, multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero number. अगर हमें किसी फ्रैक्शन के इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है, इट्स वेरी इजी. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय एनी नॉन जीरो नंबर। आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को, आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 4 से कर दो, 5 से कर दो, इट्स अप टू यू। सो हेयर लेट अस कंसिडर वन फ्रैक्शन 2/5. So to find equivalent fraction, multiply its numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So let's see, 2/5 को हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 2 से करेंगे. What are you getting? 4/10. Now multiply by 3, what are you getting? 6/15. Now multiply by 4, 2 into 4, 5 into 4, 8/20. So like this we are getting equivalent fractions of 2/5. So I hope this is very much clear to you. The second one, to make an equivalent fraction of the given fraction, divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero number which is a factor of both. देखो हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं और डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं. So see, let us consider the fraction 28/56. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. तो दोनों को हम 2 से डिवाइड कर दें. So what we are getting? We are getting 14/28. So this is an equivalent fraction of 28/56. Now both are divisible by 4 also. So what we are getting? 7/14. So 7/14 is also an equivalent fraction. Now both are divisible by 7 also. So what we are getting? We are getting here 1/2. So that is also equivalent fraction. So like this we can find equivalent fraction of a given fraction, right? Now the third one, to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not, we use the method of cross multiplication. अब दो fraction given है, हमें check करना है whether they are equivalent or not. What to do? Cross multiply. So let us consider 3/4 and 12/16. Cross multiply 3 into 16, 12 into 4, 48 equals to 48. Product is same. It means fractions are equivalent. So very easy. Now the fourth one, to reduce a fraction into its lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator by their common factor. किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को लोएस्ट टर्म में लाना है तो उनको हम उनके कॉमन फैक्टर से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. मींस डिवाइड बाय HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. सी हियर 36/24. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 6 we are getting 6/4. Then again divide by 2, we are getting 3/2. So 3/2 is the lowest term क्योंकि इसको हम further divide नहीं कर सकते. I hope this is clear to you. Now assessment 3, the first one, write the first 4 equivalent fractions for the following. So here fraction given, हमें क्या find करना है? First 4 equivalent fraction. Like 5/8 है तो 5/8. So my dear children, you can't divide 5/8 by any number, so we have to do multiplication. तो हम multiply कर देंगे, 2 से कर दें, ओके. नाउ 3 से कर दें, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. नाउ 4 से कर दें, 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32. नाउ बाय 5, 25/40. So like this you can find many more fraction. So similarly you can try remaining parts. The second one, observe the shaded region and fill in the boxes with the correct number. See A part here. Here 1 out of 4 shaded 1/4 and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8. 2 are shaded but these are equivalent. Okay, that's why equal to sign between them. Now B part, 1 out of 3 and here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 3 out of 9. These are also equivalent. Okay, now the third one, check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. तो हम क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. लाइक C पार्ट 5/20, 40/80. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. 5 into 80, 40 into 20. So here we are getting 400 and here we are getting 800. So these are not same. So these are not equivalent. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The fourth one, filling the boxes with the correct numbers. 4 by 19, A part 4 by 19, 24 upon dash. C 4 और 24 में क्या रिलेशन है? 4 6 जा, सो नीचे भी हम करेंगे 19 6 जा. सो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? You are getting 114. See B part 5 and 35, 5 7s are, so 13 7s are 91. Okay, so like this you can try other parts. Now the fifth one, reduce the given fraction into their lowest term, like C part 72 upon 12. So how we can do it? 2 से कट करें, 36 upon 6. Then cut it by 6, so 6, right? So I hope the remaining parts you can try on your own. Now we are talking about like and unlike fractions. Fractions which have the same denominators are called like fraction. जब denominator same हो जाएगा वो बन जाएंगे like fraction, जैसे 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 5. These all are like fractions. And fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions, like 1 by 3, 2 by 8, 8 by 11. These all are unlike fractions. Now comparing and ordering like fractions. अब comparison कैसे करेंगे? To compare like fraction, compare the numerators. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. अगर like fraction है means denominator same है, तो हमें compare करना है numerator को. जो बड़ा numerator होगा वो बड़ा fraction होगा. See example 1, compare 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So these are like fractions. So compare numerators 4 and 3. 4 is greater than 3. It means 4 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 5. Now the second one, arrange 1 by 17, 8 by 17, 6 by 17 and 3 by 17 in ascending order, means increasing order. Increasing order क्या होता है? Smallest to greatest. So here these are like fraction, तो हम compare करेंगे numerators को. तो जो सबसे छोटा numerator होगा वो सबसे छोटा fraction होगा. So 1 by 17 is the smallest one and 8 by 17 is the greatest one. So how we can write? 1 less than 3 less than 6 less than 8. Now this is the ascending order, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now example 3, arrange 14 upon 19, 6 upon 19, 8 upon 19 and 4 by 19 in descending, यानी decreasing order, means greatest to smallest. So greatest numerator क्या है इसमें? 14. This is greatest fraction and 4 is the smallest one. So this is the smallest fraction. So arrange it: 14 greater than 8, greater than 6, greater than 4. So this is the order, descending order. I hope this is clear to you. Assessment 4. The first one, fill less than, greater than or equal to in the boxes. See B part 3 upon 11, 9 upon 11. So which one is greater? 9 by 11. 5 by 13, 5 by 13. These are equal. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now the second one, which of the following is a group of like fractions? So like fractions means which have the same denominator. So this is the group of like fraction. This is the group of like fraction, denominator same. इसमें भी denominator same है. This is the group of like fraction. Now the third, arrange the following in ascending order. You can try this. And the fourth, arrange the following in descending order. You can try these one. Now the next we are talking about addition and subtraction of fractions. So first we are talking of addition of like fractions. So very simple. To add like fraction, add the numerators and write the sum over the same denominator. हमने सिर्फ numerators को add करना है. Denominator is same. See example 1. Add 2 by 13 plus 2 by 13 plus 6 by 13. So add numerators 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is 10. So answer is 10 upon 13. Okay, ऐसे ही subtraction में हम क्या करेंगे? To subtract two like fractions, subtract the numerators and write the difference over the same denominator. See example 1, subtract 5 by 11 from 8 by 11. So 8 minus 5 कर देंगे 3. Answer is 3 upon 11. Now assessment 5. The first one, add the following fractions like B part 6 by 20 plus 8 by 20. So what will you get? 14 upon 20. इसे हम लोएस्ट फॉर्म में भी रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. सो आंसर इज 7 अपॉन 10. C part 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 10 upon 7. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. ऐसे subtraction है. The second one, like here, C part 12 by 13 minus 10 by 13. So what will you get? 2 upon 13. Simply subtract the numerators. You can try remaining parts. Now the third one, Yashu ate 7 by 8 of pizza. Her friend ate 4 by 8 of the same pizza. Who ate more and by how much? So 7 by 8 and 4 by 8 को आपने compare करना है. Which one is greater? 7 by 8. So who ate more? Yashu ate more and by how much? कितना ज़्यादा? 7 minus 4 means 3 by 8. Right? So similarly, you can try the fourth question. Now we are talking about proper and improper fractions. So a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. जब numerator denominator से छोटा होगा, that is the proper fraction. Like 1 by 3, 5 by 8, 7 by 9, 15 by 19. These all are proper fraction. And improper, a fraction that has its numerator greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. जिसमें numerator या तो बड़ा होगा denominator से या उसके equal होगा. So that is an improper fraction. Like you can see 35 out of 8. It means 4 whole 3 by 8. So this is the improper fraction. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now see here example 19 by 5, 17 by 2, 10 by 3, all are improper fraction. Now we are talking about a combination of a whole number and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. अगर हम एक whole number लें और एक proper fraction लें, उनको combine कर दें, तो we will get a mixed fraction. And how we can express it? We can express it like this: 4 whole 1 by 3, 8 whole 2 by 5, 5 whole 1 by 4. These all are mixed fraction. And improper fractions can be expressed as mixed fraction. और जो improper fraction है, उनको हम mixed fraction में change कर सकते हैं. So here you can see like 13 by 4. It means 3 whole 1 by 4. See here. 1 whole 4 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4. So complete 3, 1, 1, 1, 3 whole and this is 1 by 4. So this becomes 3 whole 1 by 4 or we can say 13 by 4. So this is the improper and this is the mixed fraction. Now we are converting improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Very simple. Step 1, divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2, write the quotient as a whole number and the remainder as the numerator and the denominator is same, divisor as the denominator. Like mixed fraction, quotient, remainder upon divisor. Now example, convert 5 upon 2 into a mixed fraction. It means 5 को हम 2 से divide कर देंगे. So 2 is quotient, remainder is 1. So 2 whole 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. Now converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. अगर mixed fraction है तो उसे improper कैसे बनाना है? Very simple. Step 1, multiply the whole number and the denominator पहले हम होल नंबर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर स्टेप 2 ऐड द न्यूमरेटर टू द प्रोडक्ट, जो प्रोडक्ट होगा उसमें न्यूमरेटर को हम ऐड कर देंगे, एंड देन स्टेप 3 राइट द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड विद द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. See, example, convert 4 whole 2 by 7 into an improper fraction. So what to do? 4 multiply 7 plus 2, 28 plus 2, 30 upon 7. This is an improper fraction. Now assessment 6, the first one, circle the improper fraction and cross out the proper fraction. तो जो improper है उन्हें circle कर दें और जो proper है उन्हें cross out. So 5 by 4, this is an improper. So circle it. 3 by 2, improper. This is proper. 2 by 3, 8 by 11, proper fraction. 4 by 5, proper fraction. This is an improper. So like this, you can find many more. The second one, convert the following into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में change करें. C part 18 by 7, यानी 18 को divide कर दें 7 से. 7 2s are 14. So 2 quotient, 4 remainder and 7 is the denominator. So this is the mixed fraction. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third one, convert the following into improper fraction. Mixed fraction given है, हमें change करना है improper में. Like B part, 8 whole 7 by 2. So 8 into 2 plus 7 upon 2. यानी 16 plus 7, 23 upon 2. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So the next is fractions on a number line. A proper fraction is represented between 0 and 1. कोई भी proper fraction होगा उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा 0 और 1 के बीच में होगी. See example, represent 2 by 7 on the number line. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे, हम लेंगे 0 and 1. So divide the line between 0 and 1 into 7 equally spaced small division. 7 denominator है तो हम 7 equal parts ले लेंगे between 0 and 1. Now starting from 0, move 2 small division ahead. So put a dot on the mark you reach. Count it 1 2. So this is 2 by 7. अगर हमें 4 by 7 करना है तो 1 2 3 4. This is 4 by 7. This is 5 by 7, like this. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Assessment 7, first one, write the fraction represented by the dot on the number line. A part, see here between 0 and 1, count the parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means 9 is the denominator. 1 2, this is the second part, 2 by 9. Similarly, see B part, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total 11 parts. So 11 is the denominator. Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 by 11 is the fraction. Now the second one, represent the following numbers on the number line. You can try this one on your own. ऐसे ही MCQs हैं. You can try critical thinking and aptitude reasoning. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.